Hey everyone, I'm over here at Lessord Chrysler Products in Sodus, New York, looking at a used 2011 Honda Ridgeline in a deep maroon color. This is a really convenient vehicle because it's kind of like a truck SUV crossover. So you've got a little bit of a bed of a truck back here, four-wheel drive, but tons of room here in the cabin. Open this up, you've got the tinted windows and the rain guards, black leather seats, and then this middle part folds down for two cup holders and an armrest. You've also got a 12-volt charger back here and some storage behind the seats. Power windows and power locks. You've also got a sunroof. Climb in here. Here's a look at the key. I'm going to start this up. We'll take a look at the dash here. You can see that there's 91,000 miles on this. You've got some media center controls and your cruise control right here on your steering wheel. Overhead, you've got some buttons to link up to outside lights or garage doors. You've got this cool directional right here on the rear view mirror. CD player, which is actually a 6-disc changer as well. Lots of storage spaces and plugins for this. AM, FM, satellite radio. You've got digital, dual climate controls up here, heated seats, power outlets, all kinds of storage and plugins for this thing. So come on down to 49 West Main Street in Sodus, New York and test drive this Honda today. We're there at Lessord.com, Facebook, and Twitter to answer any questions you may have about it. Thanks for watching, guys. We would love to see you in our showroom soon.